what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt. Self-made and doing things extraordinary. Growing lateral and vertical is more than scary. Self-made, doing things extraordinary. Generational wealth accumulated before I'm buried. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Man, big shout out to all of my subscribers. Man, I appreciate each and every one of you. Man, I'm gonna give you guys some quick training today, quick tutorial just on how to navigate the DAT load board. If you guys don't have DAT right now, click the description box below. There's a link. Go get you guys 30-day free trial with DAT. So as a freight dispatcher, you guys will need to have access to the load board so that you guys can start searching for loads for your owner operators out here. You know, so I get a lot of subscribers annually, and a lot of people want to become freight dispatchers because they have seen me or seen someone else that's dispatching and who owns a dispatching company. You know, so for you guys out here who aspire to become freight dispatchers, tune in to this video. I'm just going to really show you guys how to search for loads and how the DAT load board is set up, you know, too. So I do recommend that you guys get that 30-day free trial with DAT Power, you know. So once you guys acquire that first owner operator, you should already have access to the load board so that you could start, you know, booking loads for that owner operator. So this video right here is going to give you guys some good information, and of course there's still more steps to becoming a freight dispatcher. So if you guys are interested in any type of freight dispatching trainings, one-on-one mentorship with me, send me a text message 317-953-8943. And also I will be doing the Thanksgiving and holiday all the way up until the new year, an actual discount too. So text 317-953-8943 for that coupon code. And man, I'm ready just to roll off into it. I don't want to waste you guys' time during this video. So I'm already logged in I'm logged into DAT Power, which I do recommend DAT Power for you guys out there if you are freight brokers too. You know, especially for you freight brokers, because DAT Power will give you access to the load board so that you could search for loads, and also so that you could post loads as being a freight broker. So some of you guys might aspire to becoming freight brokers. I'm a freight broker, and if you guys are looking for any trainings, like I said, go ahead and send me a text message at 317-953-8943. I also provide freight broker training as well and mentorship. So for some of you guys out there who want to become freight brokers, you're going to go post loads. That's the tab you'll hit. But for you guys out here who want to become dispatchers, this tutorial video is for you dispatchers out here. You're going to go to search for loads. So hit the search loads. And it's pretty simple. You know, and that's why I want to show you guys, you know, how simple it is to navigate the load board. Hopefully this video is going to help someone out here build some confidence to know that you can learn how to become a freight dispatcher and actually grow a business and work from home, doing what I'm doing. Like you guys see, I'm at the house right now, just booked a load not too long ago too. So you will go right here to new load search. So let's just say, for example, you guys are dispatching for a 53-foot flatbed trailer right now. So you're going to go down. So you could go to any or only. So if you guys are looking for a flatbed trailer specifically, you could just use the drop down box, and it's just going to show you all of the different styles of trailers. So you could be dispatching for a flatbed trailer, you could be dispatching for a step deck, a dry van, a hot shot, a reefer trailer. So you're going to come up flatbed. So like I say, for example, you guys have an owner operator. He has a 53-foot flatbed trailer that you're dispatching for right now. Let's just say that owner operator right now is located in Houston, Texas. So you want to find that owner operator a load out of Houston, Texas, because that's where the truck is currently at. Destination just depends. Let's just say if the driver said he wants to get back home and his home is New York, then you would type in, Manhattan, New York or something like that, to see if there's any loads going from Houston, Texas to New York. But 99% of the time, whenever you're dispatching, you're going to leave the destination blank because your owner operator is just willing to go wherever the money takes them. So depending on the load and the mileage and the rate, that's going to determine if you're going to book that load. But we'll get off into that in a second. So right now I'm just going to leave it blank because your driver just wants to go wherever the money takes them, just as long as the load is paying them well. The available date will be today, 11/23. Deadhead out. DHO is deadhead out. So deadhead is basically your driver having to drive to pick up a load and not having a load already on this trailer. So basically driving the truck empty to go pick up an actual load is deadheading. You don't want your driver to deadhead no more than about 150 miles out. FP, you got full or partial or both. I like to just keep it on full, and basically this is the truckload. So you have full truckload or partial truckload. Like I mentioned earlier, you guys already should know the length of your owner operator's trailer. So the trailer I said was 53 feet, and semi trailers usually could haul up to about 48,000 pounds, but always ask your owner operators how many pounds do they want to load up, what's the max. I'm just going to assume 48,000 pounds just for this training tutorial purpose. And then you're going to go to search. So now these are loads that's popping up right here. So let's just say, for example, this load right here from Houston, Texas to Dallas, Texas, Packard Logistics. It gives their phone number. It gives the length of the load, the weight. It gives their credit score. And also if they're going to factor, and they already gave you a rate. So they gave you a rate of $644, going 241 miles. That's probably about $2.80, somewhere around there per mile. So if you guys want to book this load from them, you'll click on it to read more about it. Right here it says call must tarp. So they want you to put the tarp on this load. So I'll tell you guys right now, I feel that the rate is kind of low, for what they're trying to broker it out for. But like I say, I'm a freight broker, so I understand the game. The whole goal is just to try to make as much money as possible. But your ultimate goal as wanting to become a freight dispatcher is to learn how to negotiate and learn how to know the different lanes and the rates, so that you know how to go in to negotiate, so that you guys could basically have the upper hand and have the power. Because right in here, it's letting me know that this rate should be going for anywhere between $848 to $1,008, on an average of $932. So that's why I love DAT Power, and that's why I recommend for everyone out here, man, if you guys don't have access to this load board, go get access to this load board. And like I say, 30-day free trial, everything is in the description box too. because DAT Power is going to basically just do everything for you. You know, it's giving you the rate based off of their analytics. You know, so right here is telling me that I know I could get another $300 out of it. So that's why you guys want to learn how to negotiate, and you need access to this load board so that you can have the information right in front of you too. So whenever you call up this company, you're going to tell them that you can't do that load for $644, but you could do it for about $1,000. You know, right? And it's going to take a tarp too. I wouldn't haul this load for $644, and especially if it needs a tarp. You know, you guys are going to need to get that rate up to about $1,000, but clearly DAT is showing you right here that you can get that. And if they don't want to give it to you, that's fine. Just hang up the phone and call up the next, freight broker, too. So navigating the load board is pretty much that simple, straight to the point. There's plenty of other loads on here. If you want to just keep scrolling down, you could just keep scrolling, and going. So real quick video for you guys out there, man, straight to the point, how to search for loads on a load board. Like I say, this starting tomorrow, I'll be doing the actual holiday sale from, pretty much the day prior to Thanksgiving all the way up until New Year's. I'll be running a holiday sale, 40% off, for you guys out there, man. Text 317-953-8943 for that coupon code. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Like I told you guys in this quick tutorial, go get you 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Transcend Financial Services. If you guys are looking for a factoring service out here, CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.